It's my 72-inch Extreme Tools with hutch. Excuse the dust. I'm doing body work in my shop and it gets everywhere. Just want to do a real fast tour. So I keep all my 3/8 and 1/2 inch stuff down here. It's mix match of sockets, no particular brand. Got the Westinghouse holders, Westing machine holders. Just your ratchets, extensions. So this is mostly overflow stuff that I have down here. Nothing too much in there, not too much in there. Torque wrenches, triple squares, brake caliper tools, clamps, all kinds of clamps, hose clamps, more razor knives, scrapers and pry tools, taps, various power tools, jigsaws, grinders, etc. I keep most of my stuff that I use more often down here where it's closer to the car. This is just a 27-inch Harbor Freight. You got your pencils and rulers, razor knives and stuff in here. More razor knives. Miscellaneous stuff, small wrenches, snap ring pliers, plumb bob, wheel tools, different ratchets, extensions, various wrenches, flare nut wrenches, stubby ratchet wrenches, screwdrivers, Allen key stuff, just a bunch of random stuff, hook pick sets, different levels, O-rings, air chuck tools, paint pens, all your different wrenches for different tools, wire wheels. Just spill over, just random stuff, chuck keys, some electrical stuff, crimpers, strippers, different crimpers. Here's some more wrenches. Gear wrench set. Looks like I'm missing an 18mm. Crow's feet. Here's all your Allens, Torx, lugs. A lot of your tune-up stuff, gap tools, battery maintenance. More electrical stuff, keys, tone generator, multimeter, battery tester, test lights, different pliers, nut wrench, not nut drivers, hammers, power probe, and just some random hammers, glue gun, different polishing pads and stuff. Well, that's all I got for now. See you guys next time.